Ni pidang samai pi borok syakani ka channel ko jungi bat hakani ka video ngin pe yikini ki post ki barang syara thamaya po shillong. Subscribe ikani ka channel but turn on your notification bell ru kana mo pinum do iki videos ki binga blon. Phila ban follow ru ya ka Instagram account ko jungi. Yakini ki post la apply da ka Meghalaya Basin Development Authority Shillong mentau banai araja rapusau. Ki keteng jungi ki post ki longkom ni. Application Support Engineer, Content Developer, but Application Support Assistant. Kelas date lani katarik ke bakado ba philaban sami ke applications kare hau aphui trik banai August araja rapusau. Ke post Application Support Engineer kalai kawai bakajaka jong ke posting kare po Shillong. Ke salary lani ketolap kare lai phuai jar aspa aksi banai baka educational qualification kolong kumne. Peladi ban pendap ya ke graduation, lani post graduation haka BTech, lani BE haka Computer Science, lani Electronics and Communications Engineering, lani kinu ki IT related branches. Pidan kam minimum license experience haka feel ke bayahap. Pidan kam ru ya ka skills jangka system administration, user support and trainings, application testing, bat pidan coordinate bha bat content developer nakabenta content creation. Pidai ruban coordinate bha bat system integrator nakabenta kono kam baya dai bat ka system. Ke post content developer kalai kawai baka jaka jong ke posting kare po Shillong ke salary leni ke tulap ke dai lai phuai jar aspa aksi banai ke educational qualification kalong kumne peladi ban pendap ya ke graduation leni post graduation haka English in mass media leni mass communication journalism filmmaking ban photography. Pidan kam minimum license work experience haka feel ke baya pat ru pidan kam kini skills kam ka good verbal but communication skills. Pidi bandon ru ya ka creativity but ru ka working knowledge haka photography, video development, editing, report writing, but ru nang ban pendon kam ya ka Microsoft Office. Pidi bandang ban snai ki content nakabenta ki digital applications, videos, presentation, documents baki wikiwe. Pidon kam ru ban develop iki training materials kum ki user manual, videos, presentations baki wikiwe nakabenta ki applications. Ke post application support assistant kalai santali kajaka jong posting kari po Shillong bat ka salary kari apon reojar hakshi banai. Ke educational qualification kolong kumni peladi ban pendap ya ke graduation lani ke post graduation haka BTech lani BE haka Computer Science lani Electronics but Communications Engineering lani kinu ki IT related branches. Dan kam minimum 6 work experience haka feel ka baya hap. Badru pidan kami ki skills jangka system administration, user support but trainings, application testing, bab pidan kam mon coordinate bahaba content developer nakabenta content creation. Pidai ruban coordinate bahaba system integrator nakabenta kono kam baya dai batka system. Ki candidates ki belong eligible baka boko aban apply kini ki post pihaban apply online, link baka online application form. But ya ka link jangan ni application form ngal aya po description jangan ni video. Ka link jangan ni ka official advertisement ru ngal aya po description jangan ni video. Tela dapat kau ban pulih pilaban download ya ka. Kin sepenlong ru ya ka written test but ka personal interview hapo ke Shillong. Nakabenta ka ni ka exam pihaban pun krea ya ka subject matter knowledge, general knowledge, reasoning ban English. Pihaban prepare ru ya ka way ka cover letter hakaba pitho ya ka suitability ka jompi. Nakabenta ka post ka bapi apply baru pihak ban batai ya ka interest ka jompi hakata ka post ka maximum words ka day sans patali.